Today we are at STC, we are at Barbertown Center, at Walmart. And today we'll be going into Walmart and basically we'll be trying to see if I could take up a microwave and walk out. And we're gonna really see if people are gonna be aware, if customers are gonna be aware, if the staff is gonna be aware, what will they say, what will they do. Let's go on in and get their reaction. Like I said, I got this microwave, but in fact I'm gonna purchase it. But I'm gonna go downstairs. I could have actually purchased it at the cashier at the front there, but I'm gonna go downstairs instead, and I'm gonna try and leave without purchasing it and see if who is gonna say what or what they're gonna say. So let's go. Okay then.
Ethel or Genoa, call me at 285. Ethel or Genoa, 285. Thank you.
So I'll just go through the door with the microwave and nobody realized. This is how simple it is to steal something in Walmart. Follow me to the cashier.
No fair! Don't steal mine. Mommy, mommy, do you never want to hear baby again? So then don't steal. Oh, it's Robux.
Guys, let me tell you, stealing is never cool. Stealing is never right. Never. But as I just showed you, I basically went through the door with the microwave. It didn't alarm, nothing went off, and I basically could leave with it because nobody cares, nobody business. That is all. I could have gotten away with it. But guys, I'm going to purchase it. And I'm going to show you when I'm purchasing it. Hi. Hello. Wait. I don't think but you know that I actually...
You should the Robux. You should the Robux.
And it didn't go up and nobody gave me money. So what is that though? But I think